I have a problem. Can you take a look?
Something is wrong. I'm not sure what happened.
It's not working. I've tried a few times already.
It doesn't work properly. It keeps stopping.
There is a problem with this. Can you check it?
My phone isn't working. I think the battery is dead.
My internet is very slow today. I can't open anything.
The bus is late again. I might be late for work.
I missed my bus, so I'll take the next one.
I'm running late because of traffic.
I lost my keys. I can't find them anywhere.
I can't find my wallet. I think I left it at home.
I forgot my password, so I can't log in.
I made a mistake. I'll try to fix it now.
I don't feel well today. I should probably stay home.
I need help with this because I don't understand it.
Can you fix this? It's really important.
Can you check it, please? I think something is wrong.
Can you help me solve this? I'm a bit stuck.
What should I do now? I'm not sure what the next step is.
Don't worry, we'll find a solution.
It's okay, these things happen sometimes.
We can fix it together.
Let's try again and see if it works.
I'll help you with this step by step.
Try this and see if it works better.
Restart it and try again.
Check it again carefully.
Take your time, there's no rush.
Everything will be fine in the end.
I have a problem. Can you take a look?
What happened? Let me see if I can help.
My phone isn't working. It just turned off.
Try restarting it. That usually helps.
The internet is very slow today. I can't open anything.
Let me check it. Maybe there's a problem with the connection.
I missed my bus, so I'm going to be late.
Don't worry, just take the next one.
I'm running late because of traffic.
That's okay, take your time.
I lost my keys. I can't find them anywhere.
Where did you last see them? Try to remember.
I can't find my wallet. I think I left it at home.
Check your bag again, just to be sure.
I forgot my password, so I can't log in.
You can reset it. It only takes a few minutes.
I made a mistake in the report.
That's okay, it happens. You can fix it.
I don't feel well today. I think I need some rest.
You should stay home and take it easy.
Can you help me with this? I don't understand it.
Yes, of course. I'll explain it step by step.
Can you fix this? It's really important.
I'll try my best. Give me a minute.
What should I do now? I'm a bit confused.
Let's think together and find a solution.
It's not working, even after I tried again.
Try one more time. Maybe it will work now.
Something is wrong. I don't know what happened.
Let me see. I'll check it for you.
Can you check it, please? I think something is wrong.
Yes, I'll take a look right now.
I'm really stressed because of this problem.
Take a short break. It will help you relax.
I don't understand this part at all.
I'll explain it again more slowly.
This is quite difficult for me.
You can do it, just take your time.
Everything is going wrong today.
It will be okay. Just stay calm.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.